For the first time, India is exporting robots to foreign countries. The robots you can see on your TV screen are the ones which are going to be exported to Singapore and Australia. What are these robots? How they are being designed in India, and how the Make in India initiative is actually making India proud also. We will talk to Sarthak, who is the member of the team who has actually designed these robots. Sarthak, what are these?
So the one you are seeing behind you is called Dynamo 1000. So it can carry 1000 kgs of load from one place to another as fast as possible and while not compromising on safety. So these are extremely safe robots meant for very harsh conditions, like of a warehouse where a lot of heavy goods are being transported around. So forklifts and things like that with a human driver give you a limitation of visibility. But these robots can see in all 360 degrees and it can sense at a speed much higher than a human being. So that is why the requirement for these have gone up in recent times because of the predictability of the throughput and the safety of the systems. These are now being required by every warehouse in India and across the world.
Okay, so I can also see a huge machine there. It's like a 1.5 story tall robot with a lot of crates inside. What is this machine, and is it also being exported?
Yeah, this one would also be going out. So this one, basically what we think about when we design warehouses is 2D space. Now with this robot, we are also optimizing in 3D space. Why not use the space above to store equipment and to retrieve? So this also reduces your time to reach the item and bring it back. So at a time, it can pick up 7 different items, transfer it to the place where it is required, and go back and again collect. So this robot, we are expecting to increase our throughput by quite some extent.
And which countries are there who are actually demanding these robots?
So this is a new product we've just developed. We would be sending these out to Australia. And it has been launched recently, and we are seeing a demand across Europe and eventually US too.
Right. So this is a facility in Noida, and these robots, remember 5-10 years back, India was completely dependent on foreign countries for such kind of technologies, but now you can see the change, and these robots are being actually exported to much developed countries. With camera person Parmendra Sharma in Noida, this is Abhishek Anand reporting for India Today.